What is going on, guys? Tobin Shore here of Heroes Financial Group. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, it would be awesome if you could consider subscribing to the channel and also giving the video a thumbs up and going ahead and looking through anything else that's in the archives here. Make sure you guys check out heroesfinancialgroup.com. Don't forget to check out the Facebook page under the same name as well and give it a like also. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So in this video, I want to talk about life insurance, the two different kinds, and it's important when it comes to laying your financial foundation. Okay, so not enough people are getting the right education when it comes to this, right? Or seeking out the information. They're not finding the right information. There's a lot of stigma behind them, right? And people, advisors, financial planners, accountants, whoever, right, are giving their recommendations without really providing the education on it. Okay, so I want to provide this education for you so that you can be empowered to take control of your finances and have the right financial planning, and again lay down that financial foundation for you in order to have make an informed decision for yourself and your finances and your family's future. All right, so there's two types of life insurance. All right, two major types. There's term and there's permanent. Okay, so we're going to talk about term first. So term insurance is it's affordable for people, right? It's affordable. It's a nice temporary solution. It's not going to break the bank. Okay, it's not going to break your bank. It's I see typically people will spend more in Starbucks in a week than they will on a month's worth of life insurance, right? And having that protection for them and their family, right? So again, affordable for a higher amount of coverage, okay? But it's temporary, okay? It's temporary. Typically, it's going to expire. You know, you're going to have a policy period between 10 and 30 years, depending on the contract you decide to purchase, okay? So I like to liken this to renting your home. You are renting your life insurance. It's going to expire after a certain amount of time. Again, affordable. It's not requiring you to commit for a lifetime permanently to be in there, right? For a very, very long period of time. But it's, again, it's a temporary home for you. Okay, and you're not building any equity in it. That's probably one of the more important things there. You're not building equity. Okay, now the second type of life insurance is permanent types of life insurance, right? So it is a little bit more expensive in that, hey, you're putting more of a higher premium into this type of life insurance. But what is the other thing that you have, right? You have, for one, now you're building equity, which is the cash value in that life insurance policy, right? Now that's like buying a home. Now you're buying your life insurance because, hey, you're building equity in it. You have cash value in there as well in that home, right? As well as your benefits, okay? As well as your benefits. That's a lot of things. That's something that not a lot of people really think about in the right way, in the right mindset, that, hey, you have two pools of money in here. Okay, you have your cash value, that equity that you have built up in your policy, and you have benefits, right? Which is another bigger lump sum of cash that you can access while you're living if you have a living condition. All right, there's a huge list of that. I'm not really going to go into that, but if you have a living condition that requires you to pull from your death benefit while you are alive, right? It is life insurance, not death insurance. Right? That's where a lot of people, you know, when this came about, this has helped so many people, you know, from financial ruin, because when they have a living condition, they become disabled, you know, have a heart attack, stroke, cancer, terminal illness, whatever it may be, and they're unable to work, unable to provide an income now, right? Because their work let them go, or whatever the case is, right? Now they're not getting any sort of income. This is where living benefits can come in. Right, and that insurance company can come in and EFT, give you, just draft the money into your account, right? And you now have access to your death benefits while you are alive, so you can pay those bills, right? Whatever you need, okay? Because health insurance isn't going to cover that, right? Health insurance will not cover your bills. It's going to cover your health care expenses, right? Most of them. Okay, so again, term insurance, you're renting, right? Cheap but temporary solution. Okay, good for coverage for a certain amount of time, normally up to 30 years, right? And then permanent, now you are buying and building equity in that life insurance policy, having cash value. Many different ways to structure that. That one you can more freely structure depending on your needs and requirements and your financial goals, right? No, I'm not saying that, hey, one is better than the other, right? I never really say that one is better than the other, because it all depends on you, right? It depends on the person. Okay, it depends on your goals, your needs, your financial situation, what you can afford, what you want to be able to do with your finances, what you want to have for your family, for your legacy, right? Or maybe even charity, whatever it is that you want to do, right? It's not always best to buy term and invest the difference. I'm not here to tell you that. It's not always best to get permanent and build that cash value. I'm not here to tell you that either, right? Maybe you want to have a combination of both. Okay, you want to be able to talk with somebody that's informed about these things and know well how they can affect your finances and how they work, so that it can be implemented into your plans appropriately, right? That is why I do in-depth financial analyses for people, so that they can see, hey, you know, this is what you have, this is what your budget is, this is what you're going to need for your retirement, right? This is what you need to have in place to, you know, to make sure that your family is good. What do you want to be able to do? What do you really want out of this? What do you want to have in your future? What do you want to have in your family's future? Right? Hey, if buy term and invest the difference is what you want to do, and that's what's best for your goals and your situation and just what you want as far as risk tolerance and everything like that, all right, let's do that. I can help you with that. Okay, let's figure out something that works for you, right? If you want to build equity, have cash value life insurance, and you want to see how that goes based on your situation, and you want to see one structured for you specifically, right? Your kids, your wife, your whoever, grandchildren, right? Let's go look at that, all right? What is best for you? All right, that's what you want to decide. And if it's not with me, it can be with anybody that can give you those ideas and give you that education, so that, hey, I want this is what I want to have in the future. I want this implemented into my financial plan, right? You need to seek those people out. You need to seek out the information. Google is a great resource, but not the best resource at the same time, because you're going to see a lot of conflicting information. You want to be able to actually sit down and get that analysis done for you and find out what's best. All right, again, okay, so hopefully I didn't ramble on too long there, right? This is meant to be a short video just to give you that idea. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, tobin.short@heroesfinancialgroup.com, right? You can contact me via my website, Facebook, social media, whatever. I'll have my links in the description below. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope I provide some valuable education for you. Again, leave a comment if you have any questions or if you want to see any topic broken down specifically. All right, again, have a good day. Peace out. Hey guys, this video is brought to you by my very own company, Heroes Financial Group. At Heroes Financial Group, my team and I help people just like you formulate the best financial strategies so that you can protect your money, achieve financial freedom, and build a legacy for you and your family. We do consultations and mentoring and coaching sessions so that we can discuss things like investing, retirement planning, income and asset protection, children's education funds, credit repair and arbitrage, debt solutions, and creating additional streams of income and starting your own business. Now, my contact details are below. Feel free to contact me so that we can see if my team and I are the right fit for you, and see how we can help you become empowered so that you can help yourself achieve your financial goals.